When beginning a titration, what you want to do first is clean the barrette as shown using distilled water, making sure to get all sides of the barrette and cleaning both sides of the stopcock inside the barrette. In the barrette for this experiment, what we have is potassium permanganate as our titrant, and what we're going to be titrating is iron 2 nitrate. When you're titrating, you want to slowly turn the stopcock to add small amounts of titrant into what you're titrating. You'll see a small change in color in what you're titrating, but this change isn't permanent until you reach the end point. After adding a small amount of titrant, you're going to shake, and you're going to repeat this repeatedly until the color stays. Here you can see we're reaching our endpoint as the color becomes darker and stays longer after adding the titrant. Here you can see we've reached the endpoint marked by the color being permanent. This happens due to an excess of titrant in the solution. For your data analysis, you want to be sure you measure the amount of titrant used to reach the endpoint.